At Poplar Apartments, we work hard to ensure the comfort and satisfaction of everyone who lives here. Our community offers around-the-clock maintenance service available to handle any emergencies by online request. There's a fully equipped laundry facility right on site for your convenience. Some of the units are being extensively remodeled. With our wide range of sizes and prices, you can choose either a one-bedroom or a two-bedroom garden-style home and have air conditioning, large closets, extra storage, carpeted floors, and a private balcony or patio. Access is controlled by an intercom at the entrance, and reserved off-street parking is available. Your monthly rent payment includes water, sewer, and trash pickup. We're less than a half hour from the airport, and it's a short drive to downtown. Public transportation is nearby. There's easy access to I-376 and I-79, and popular shopping, dining, and entertainment destinations are only minutes away. Be sure to call or stop by soon and take a tour of Poplar Apartments.